Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, to prepare the octopus I'm gonna present you now was a little bit rushy, yeah? We were in the the New Year's Eve, and my cousin started a little bit early, and I wasn't prepared to film what he did. It all started with the picture you're gonna see here, with the octopus, yeah? And for that you need some scissors. I got here one, yeah? So I'm gonna try to show you. You wear the octopus like that, and you, with the scissors, you're gonna cut the legs one by one, which means 8 ones, yeah? And you will have the head of the octopus, which is just like this, and you're gonna cut it to the middle and until you open it just like this, yeah? And then you're gonna clean it and to the oven tray, yeah? And right now I will show you the rest during the video, yeah? It was very delicious. It was very nice to prepare it like that. Just the video was a little messy. I'm gonna thank my cousin to show me this new way of preparing the octopus with the oven. It was very nice. And we did 2 kinds of octopus I'm gonna show you. We did pulpo a Vera or pulpo a la Gallega, which is with a potato base and topped with the octopus. And I did hummus bed topped with the octopus. Both were very nice. They were eating it like, in 5 minutes. Was everything empty. And look, I will try my best to show you right now in the video all we did. Thank you very much and see you in the video. Ciao, ciao. This was our starting picture and this is our result. This hummus topped with this roasted octopus and of course a little bit of olive oil extra virgin on top was fantastic. And as well as our pulpo a Vera or octopus, pulpo a la Gallega, which is a potato bed topped with the octopus we just baked, yeah? Of course, olive oil extra virgin. And this is what I mentioned, our octopus cut with a half an onion, some bay leaf and pepper, black pepper, yeah? And of course, we are gonna add, look, like you see, don't add any salt. The octopus itself had a lot of salt. It will lose around 40% of its weight in liquid, so it's salty because it's from the sea, yeah, of course. And we finish it with a glass of white wine. Like you see, this was our octopus, looks like this in our oven tray. This oven tray, you're gonna seal it with alu foil correctly everywhere. Make sure that you don't leave any holes. And just bake it for around 45 minutes at 200 preheated oven, 200 degrees Celsius, and this was our results, yeah? On the meantime, we boiled some potatoes and we peel them off, like you see, and you see a lot of water on the oven tray. We are gonna add a little bit of this water to our tray, another oven tray, and we're gonna cut slices of our potato. We're gonna place them on the tray, and our goal is that the potatoes absorbs from the water a little bit from the taste. It looks like this. Then we are gonna pour more of the liquid from the octopus on top of our potatoes. We did this to heat up our potatoes, yeah, of course. And after that, we plate the potato bed on our plates. We add some pimiento de la Vera, which is a kind of sweet sour pimiento. Spanish is not paprika itself, so it looks like, yeah. Then we cut our octopus legs just like this, like you see in the video. Try to do small rings, or kind of not ring but circles, yeah, just like that. And then you're gonna top the potato with it, yeah, just like that. And then you add a little bit of olive oil on top and it's just fantastic. And of course, more pimiento de la Vera on top of the octopus. You use it on top of the potatoes, on top of the octopus, like everything has the taste from the pimiento and the octopus itself, and you will love it. There's no chance you do something wrong here unless you ruin the octopus while you cook it too much, or you cook it not too much and it's raw, it's kind of hard. So you gotta find the point. 45 minutes, preheated oven, 200 degrees. That's no margin, no error margin. The octopus had around 4 kilos, yeah. You have to be careful about that, yeah. It depends on the octopus weight. If you are a very small octopus, it will need less time. And this is our first result. Look, pulpo a Vera, what I told you, just fantastic. On the other side, I prepared this one with a hummus, and I roasted in the pan the two out of the octopus leg and top our hummus with the octopus, a little bit of olive oil, and of course pimiento de la Vera as well. Yeah, look very nice. I leave you the recipe down here. For the octopus I did with a kid. For the hummus I did with a kid. It was very nice preparing with a kid, trying to show a little bit from the kitchen so that they enjoy. So I hope you like it and you replicate it, and if you have any comment, just down here on the bottom box. Thank you very much. I appreciate your support, and I wish you a very nice journey, and of course a very nice 2026 year. Take care everyone. Cheers.